Welcome to Farrell Equipment.
Good afternoon, Bob DeStefano here. We're going to chat with you a little bit about Tsurumi pumps. We have our 2-inch submersible pump for gray water, and we also have a 2-inch trash pump for trash. We're going to show you here a cutaway of showing you how the Tsurumi pump is manufactured, to show you the quality behind the pump and the performance that goes along with the quality. With Tsurumi pumps, you have the #1 pump manufacturer in the world out of Japan, making an excellent submersible pump in all horsepowers from 2/3 horsepower all the way up to 60 horsepower. What we have here is the cutaway, which actually shows you the internals of how well the pump is put together and manufactured. We have a rubber urethane impeller, which is actually 3 times the lasting strength of a cast iron impeller. We have a oil bath seal chamber here, and the oil bath seal chamber here is filled by the plug on the side on both pumps, and the actual oil sits in there and bathes the seal, keeping the seal running for the length of a pump and the long duration of the pump in any application. The seal is a silicon carbide double-face mechanical seal. That is the best seal known to man by far. The little white plastic piece in here is what we call an oil lifter. The oil lifter is what actually takes the bottom of the oil and brings it to the top of the seal, always keeping the top of the seal lubricated because the seal has 2 faces, top and bottom, and that seal lifter brings the oil to the top seal, keeping the top face totally lubricated during the life of the pump. The motor itself is a copper wound stator with a permanent magnet motor. That is one of the most efficient ways to produce a fractional horsepower engine or a fractional horsepower motor, by having a permanent magnet. Not inexpensive at all to do, but best for performance and longevity. We also have on top of here is we have a thermal release, thermal braking circuit board. So if the pump was to overheat, it would shut itself down. If it was low on voltage or low on water and got too hot, this would actually shut the pump down. This is not to be used as a flow control, but only a safety device for the unit itself. That helps keep the motor lasting forever, long periods of time. This is a center discharge pump, which is allowing all the water to come up around the motor, keeping the motor cool and running in gray water or just clean water. 2-inch discharge, about 39 to 40 feet ahead and about 60 gallons per minute. Coupled with that, internals is our trash pump. Same insides, but only designed to pump solids. This pump is designed to pass a 1-inch by 3/8 solid. Anything that can fit through the grooves of the pump will pass through its side discharge. This is a 1/2 horsepower running on 5.4 amps. This is 2/3 horsepower running on about 5.6 amps. Equally the same in performance, only now the capabilities of passing a solid through a side discharge, and also has a thermal brake as well, so if it was to overheat, it shut itself down. All these pumps are designed to be used with or without floats. So if you're running into a low-level dewatering condition, we can actually get the pumps to shut off automatically by use of a flow control. We also have a Wick Cord, and this is the cord that comes in the top here. I have an exploded view of it. And this is a Wick Cord, which is a special design that our large pumps, our 50, 30, 40, 50, 60 horsepower pumps do. We do it on our small fractional horsepower pumps. And what this is if you accidentally nick the cord, the water will actually work its way down to the heat source. And what we have here now is a embodied, molded, potted cord in epoxy. So the water stops here through a spliced out insulation set of wires so that the water cannot get into the motor itself through the cord itself. But these are some of the features that keep Tsurumi over and above any one of the competitors and keep the pumps running for years upon years upon years in 100% duty cycle applications. Thank you.